Hello, I am Visula Gangahar. We are from group number 27. Our project is Alternative for Disposable Water Bottles. First of all, I would like to give brief introduction of our project. Plastic pollution is one of the most threat to our environment. Not only that, it directly impacts for humans and the animals in our planet. Maybe you don't know in today's world 1,500 plastic water bottles are consumed in every second. However, we were still recycling less than 20% of recyclable plastics, and each year an estimated 50 billion single-use cup and 38 billion disposable water bottles are thrown away. If there is no definitive solution to this problem, it will have to face major crises in the near future. Because of all above reasons, we can understand the importance of our project. We hope that our alternative will solve all the above problems successfully. Next, I am going to explain about some raw materials used for manufacture plastic water bottles. We can categorize them into renewable and non-renewable. Under the renewable, there are benzene and betadines. Under the non-renewable, there are organic polymers, polystyrene, PET, high-density polythene, low-density polythene, and petroleum hydrocarbon. Then, our next member, Yahanpat, will explain about the properties of this product. Thank you.
Thank you, Visula. I am Asura Sanjanishta. Let's go to the slide. There have some properties of the plastic bottles. Some of them are transparency, flexibility, elasticity, permeability, water resistance, electrical resistance, soft, high durability, viscosity, dissolvable, etc. We can draw conclusion from outside observation at what is inside. That ability is very useful. It's called transparency. Potential to shrink and recover is called flexibility. In high durability, plastic heated at 956 degrees and melting point is 1934 degrees. Viscosity is a solid, so plastic at room temperature has no viscosity, but when melted, it is very viscous. According to the next slide, as you can see in the diagram about manufacturing process of plastic bottle, carbon, oxygen, sulfur, hydrogen are some input of this process. Furthermore, there are some emission gases. For the example, we can show carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur monoxide, etc. Our next member, Isanka, will continue this presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Osura. I am Kannor Narayan. In this slide, I am talking about users application of plastic water bottles. It contains to store liquid, to carry water safety, to store medicine, beverage industry, to make household items, to contain foods, to store water. In next slide, I am talking about what are the problems with the disposable water bottles. There are three types of main problems we can categorize. The first one is environment, and it destroyed our nature beauty. Over 100,000 marine animals and 1 million seabirds for each year die for each year. Also, that could be reason to transfer toxic chemical to the human food chain, creating harmful toxic exposure in every phase of its life cycle. It's made from petroleum that creates air and water pollution during the extraction and shipment. The second one is social problems, and it contains polymer manufacturing factories make health problems for workers. bottle factories make health problems for workers and society live around the factory, around the raw materials, creating many social problems. Garbage disposing places creates a lot of social problems around it. Asthma, cancer, and birth defect are the main diseases because of this. The third one is economic problems, and it requires large amount of fossil fuel to make and transport. Manufacturing process consume large amount of money. Investing huge amount of money to build a recycle factory. Excavation process consume a large amount of money. Improperly disposal of plastic bottle can cost a lot of money. I am invite to continue this presentation.
Thank you, Isankar. I'm RD Kedira Singh and let me explain what alternatives are available for plastic water bottles, which option we have and why we select it. On these two slides, you can see that there are four alternatives for plastic water bottles. As a first alternative, we can make a bottle with wood and wood waste. In this method, wood waste is mixed with glue and compressed it to form a bottle. As a second alternative, we can make a bottle by mixing some clay and waste leaves. By adding fibrous leaves to it, it's more durable and we can reuse it. As a third alternative, we can make a bottle from fibrous plant parts such as salvia, jute and banana trees. The other alternative is that there we can make a bottle of waste papers. There we can make a pulp from the waste papers and to compress it with the metal mold to make a bottle. Of these four alternatives, we have selected the third alternative to implement. There we will mix all of these ingredients and keep them for a few days for fermentation. It's then intended to make the bottle by removing the plant parts and mixing them with the non-toxic and decaying glue. We can also make a cap for a plastic water bottle with this metal. These are the reasons why we choose this alternative to replace plastic water bottles. You can see that there are properties of plastic water bottles we mentioned earlier in this table. On the right side, you can see the properties of our alternative. You can see that our product has some of the qualities that plastic water bottles don't have, like fast decay, antioxidant, and non-toxic, and more. By comparing these two sides, you can understand that our alternative is very similar to plastic water bottle by properties. Okay, to continue this session, I'll hand over this to Adi.
Thank you, my dear friend Kalindu. I am Ahmad J.A. I'm going to continue my two-slide discussion. Our team's proposal is to use herbal materials water bottles as an alternative to the disposable plastic water bottles. Let us consider the properties of for disposable plastic water bottle and herbal material water bottles. Ecosystems are damaged by discarding plastic water bottles into the environment. One of the main reasons for this is that plastic bottles do not compose quickly. In further solving, plastic water bottles can often cause harmful chemical in the environment when they collide. This poses a threat to both flora and fauna. Herbal material and alternative that we have been shown by our team is very environmentally friendly. As a result, it decomposes rapidly after being added to the environment. It may show no plant and animal harmful chemicals. As another basic point, the manufacturing cost of the bottle of herbal material is lower than the cost of the plastic water bottle. Therefore, the substitute we point out can be made available to consumers at a lower cost. This shows that herbal material bottles are more sustainable than plastic bottles. I'm going to move my next slide. We are in conclusion. The module provides the student the ability to appreciate the application of sustainable concept in various engineering effective manner. They give us real world and advice to focus on different meaningful ways to find practical and sustainable solution to that. After making this project, we were learned the process of planning, designing, and it gives us opportunity to actively get involved to investigation, presentation, discussion, and assignment. Get actively involved in all of this, we were able to develop creative thinking, research skill, and skill of working as a team. Thank you for all.